Hello everyone, and welcome to our seasonal wellness guide. Ever feel a bit off when the weather changes? Well, in traditional Chinese medicine, that's your body's key telling you it's time for a tune-up. The way we eat and live is key to keeping our qi and blood in perfect balance, especially as we move from one season to the next. So, today we're diving into some simple, powerful TCM tips to help you thrive all year round. Let's start with the heart of it all. Your diet. In TCM, we place a huge emphasis on the spleen and stomach. Think of them as your body's central processing unit, responsible for transforming the food you eat into vital energy. To keep this system happy, we want to choose foods that are light and easy to digest. Think warm, comforting meals like cooked vegetables, hearty soups, and wholesome grains. Steaming, stewing, and light stir-frying are your best friends here. Now, which foods should you be reaching for? To give your spleen a little boost, focus on ingredients that are naturally sweet and strengthening. I'm talking about delicious sweet potatoes, vibrant pumpkins, comforting oats, and even things like carrots and chestnuts. These foods are like a warm hug for your digestive system, helping it build up that essential qi and blood without working overtime. It's all about nourishing your body from the inside out. So, what should we try to limit to prevent that? Heavy filling what TCM calls damp heat and stagnation. It's a good idea to cut back on a few things. Greasy, deep-fried, and overly rich foods can really bog down your digestion. And while a little sweetness is good, excessive sugary treats can also overwhelm the spleen. The goal is to keep things moving and light. One of the most crucial tips, and maybe the hardest for some of us, is to avoid too many cold or raw foods. Things like ice water, salads, and smoothies, especially in cooler weather, can be like putting a bucket of cold water on your digestive fire. In TCM, we say cold injures the yang energy and weakens the spleen, making it harder to do its job. Opting for room temperature water and cooked veggies can make a world of difference. Finally, it's not just about what you eat, but how you eat. Try to have your meals at regular times each day. This creates a predictable rhythm that your digestive system loves. And don't forget about stress. When we're stressed, our liver key gets stuck, which can mess with our digestion. So take a few deep breaths before you eat, put your phone away, and just enjoy your meal. Simple changes like these can help keep your energy flowing smoothly, leaving you feeling vibrant and balanced no matter the season.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might benefit. See you in the next video.